I don't know how this angle is, but you're probably wondering why it's down so low, and that's the answer is I've got my motorcycle helmet on. Woo! So I don't know why I'm wearing it, just wanted to try it out.
The explicit.
Hold me down till I get back. I'ma hold you down till I get back. If you do not want me, girl, just tell me that, 'cause I've been looking for something that's feeling that's a fan.
Guy got a nice wave. I fell right in that hole. Oh, my helmet smells so much like shampoo right now. I'm in the process of bleaching my hair. Part of it. I used to have a lot of it bleached, but it's been falling out and stuff. So I'm re-bleaching part of it. And you can actually see some of it. Right there. So that's the bleached part, but I'm in the process of bleaching more of that area, and my helmet just smells like shampoo.